to Baba Toys. Today we're gonna do the volcano science experiment. We got the green, orange, purple and blue food coloring. And we got baking soda. Let me show you how to do it. First you put baking soda. You put baking soda in each cup. Okay, now you're adding your favorite colors. Now you're adding your favorite colors. I'll choose these. First, I'm going to put in blue. Everyone's fun, but they're not. Oh, it's a lot. I sure looking at it. Now I'm going to put in purple. That was a lot. Okay, now we'll put in orange. Actually, it's not orange, it's red. It's red. I like that color. Now I'm going to put in green. I never put in green food coloring before. We got some forks, but that's okay. Let's mix it up. Okay. Look guys, it's almost getting blue. Okay, all done. Now we do this color. Okay, it's blue. It's purple. Purple, la 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 la. Okay, it's all done. Now you do red. Actually, red, yeah. Probably, yeah. Let's all done. Okay, all done. Now I'm gonna do this color green. Greeny, greeny, green, green, green. Okay, it's all done. Now you pour in the vinegar. Now we pour in the vinegar. Whoa! 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 Hey, it's going in the purple. Haha. She's gonna be that purple. I love you. Let's do more. Oh, that's why you can put the glass too close. Okay, let's go. It's not coming. See, vinegar can do the trick. Whoa! If you want to see more awesome videos like this, check out Baba Toys then our volcano video will come on TV. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Bye!